how to fix iPhone messages not showing all text after iOS 26 update. So after updating to iOS 26, Apple added a new feature in the Messages app that can hide some of your recent text. This includes the verification codes, OTP messages, or text from unknown numbers and businesses. Because of this, you might feel like some of your messages are missing. So let me show you how to check everything and fix it. You can open up your Messages application. From there, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you can tap on Open Unknown Senders and also check the spam folder as well. You can also go with the option of Manage Filtering, and it will take you to this kind of interface, which is you can turn on the unknown senders if you want to. And you can also filter spam. You can hide notifications and move messages to the spam list. You can turn this on or off according to your wish. But if it's still not showing the messages, you can just simply go and restart your device. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. Or just simply go with your settings application. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, and tap on reset. After resetting your network settings, or after resetting all of your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.